Hey there! Welcome to No Face Nomad. Today we're exploring Tokyo and uncovering its top must-see spots. From serene shrines to bustling markets, Tokyo has something for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, Meiji Shrine. This tranquil retreat in bustling Shibuya is surrounded by a forest planted by volunteers in 1920. Fun fact, the forest has over 100,000 trees donated from all over Japan. The shrine was rebuilt after being destroyed in World War II and is a popular spot for traditional Shinto weddings. Tip: visit early in the morning for a peaceful experience. Next, Shibuya Crossing. This is the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world, with up to 3,000 people crossing at once. It's been featured in movies like Lost in Translation and is locally known as the Scramble. Nearby, you'll find the famous Hachiko statue. Tip: get the best view from the Starbucks overlooking the crossing to feel the energy of Tokyo. Now let's head to Tsukiji Outer Market. Once the world's largest fish market, it handles over 480 kinds of seafood. The name Tsukiji means reclaimed land, built on land from Tokyo Bay. Fun fact, some shops open as early as 5 a.m. Tip: try the fresh sushi from street vendors and soak in the vibrant market atmosphere. Standing tall at 634 meters, Tokyo Skytree is the tallest tower in the world. It's designed to withstand earthquakes and strong winds. The Skytree broadcasts TV and radio signals across Tokyo. Fun fact, Skytree Town includes an aquarium and planetarium. Tip: book tickets in advance to skip the lines and visit at sunset for unforgettable views. Located in Asakusa, Sensoji Temple is Tokyo's oldest and most vibrant temple, founded in 628 AD. The temple attracts over 30 million visitors annually. The 5-story pagoda next to the main hall is a favorite spot for photographers. Tip: visit at night to see the temple beautifully illuminated and explore the lively Nakami's Street. Harajuku is the heart of Tokyo's youth culture and fashion scene. Takashita Street is filled with quirky shops and cafes, perfect for people watching and fashion spotting. Fun fact, Harajuku is the birthplace of kawaii culture. Tip: visit on a Sunday to see the local youth dressed in elaborate costumes. Ueno Park is a large public park next to Ueno Station, offering museums, a zoo, and beautiful seasonal displays of cherry blossoms. The park is famous for its cherry blossoms, attracting thousands of visitors during the sakura season. Tip: visit in spring for cherry blossoms or autumn for colorful foliage. That's a quick look at Tokyo's must-see spots. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite spot in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.